Look, I'm not really a fan of sweets, but this French toast Hawaiian rolls went crazy. Shout out to Chef Candace for the recipe. I'm gonna tag her in the description below. It's super easy to make. So first things first, I'm gonna take 3 eggs, and I got 3/4 of a cup of heavy whipping cream. I'm gonna whisk that together until the eggs are completely mixed in with the heavy whipping cream. Then I got a teaspoon of cinnamon. I got 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Make sure you use vanilla extract, man. And then a pinch of salt. I'm gonna whisk that together too and make sure it's nice and combined. Then I'm gonna poke some holes in the bottom of my Hawaiian rolls, and I'm just gonna dip it in that mixture. And I'm just gonna toss it around and make sure all the roll is coated. You wanna let it sit in there for about 30 seconds. You don't wanna go too long so the bread doesn't get completely mushy. Then we're just gonna put them in a pan with some butter, and we're gonna keep turning them until they're golden brown on each side. This one wasn't completely golden brown, so I had to put it back down, but just make sure you get them to that nice golden brown color and you're good to go. Peace.